Why do founders celebrate fundraising and then panic 6 months later? Why does having money in the bank often reduce freedom instead of increasing it? And what if raising VC money too early is actually the most expensive mistake you can make as a founder? In this video, I want to show you why founders who sell first keep control, and how an old-school sales system creates real traction long before fundraising ever makes sense. I'm Vin Solo from FinTech Business Accelerator. I work mostly with early and mid-stage fintech founders, pre-seed to Series A, builders who want control, leverage, and optionality. Over the years, I have seen founders win and lose not because of product quality and not because of code, but because of capital decisions and sales decisions. And Insart exists to help founders build sellable and fundable businesses, not just demos and not just experiments. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Most founders don't lose their companies because of bad ideas or bad engineering. They lose them because of the wrong money at the wrong time. And the only antidote to that is traction. Not slides, not stories, real traction. In this video, I want to cover 3 things. First, the difference between founder money and VC money. Second, why traction always beats fundraising. And third, a simple, old-school 6 steps sales framework that founders can actually use without becoming salespeople. No hacks, no hustle, no startup theater, just my experience. Let's start with money. Founder money is revenue, contracts, paid pilots, letters of intent. Founder money is earned, VC money is different. It comes with dilution, board pressure, artificial timelines, and expectations that often have nothing to do with reality. VC money is not free. It is borrowed time. Founder money, on the other hand, is earned leverage. VC money buys speed. Founder money buys control. Now let's talk about traction. Traction is not users. Traction is not demos. Traction is not pilots with no commitments. Traction is when someone commits money or authority. If customers commit, investors listen. If customers don't commit, investors disappear. This is why selling first changes everything. What I'm about to share is not a startup trick. This is framework existed long before accelerators, pitch decks, and growth hacks. This is how real businesses have always been built. It has 6 steps. Step 1, sourcing. Sourcing is about where real buyers come from. The biggest founder mistake is saying everyone is our ICP ideal customer, or waiting for inbound, or waiting for investors. If you don't deliberately source buyers, you don't control your future. No sourcing means no pipeline. No pipeline means no leverage. Step 2, research. Research is about understanding the buyer's world. Founders often pitch features without understanding incentives, constraints, or risks. Research is respect. It separates builders from beggars. Investors fund founders who understand buyers better than buyers understand themselves. Step 3, prospecting. Prospecting is not pitching. Prospecting is starting the right conversation. The founder mistake is pitching too early or asking for feedback. Good prospecting opens problem conversations. Bad prospecting burns bridges. You're not selling yet. You're qualifying reality. Step 4, nurturing. Nurturing is about trust before transaction. Founders expect instant yes. Silence feels like rejection, but fintech sales are about timing, trust, and patience. Most deals are not lost because founders hear no. They are lost because founders disappear too early. Step 5, closing. Closing is asking for commitment. Not pressure, not manipulation, clarity, paid discovery, pilot, letter of intent. Interest is not traction. Commitment is. If you never ask for commitment, you never get traction. Step 6, success. Success is turning buyers into proof. This is where founders often move on too fast. One successful customer with a real outcome is more powerful than 10 investors' meetings. Success is what turns sales into fundraising power. So, why do founders avoid sales? Because sales feels uncomfortable. Fundraising feels like progress. Sales exposes truth early. Fundraising delays truth and amplifies mistakes. Sales hurts early. Fundraising hurts later. And usually much more. Now imagine a different path. Founders who sell early raise less. They negotiate better. They keep optionality. Investors compete for access instead of founders chasing meetings. Calm replaces panic. Structure replaces hope. That's what traction buys you. If this changed how you think about fundraising, like this video and subscribe to our channel. And ask yourself one question: what would change if you sell first? Thank you for watching. It was me, Vin Solo from Insart. Take care and keep building. Traction buys freedom. Everything else is noise.